In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into your AOL email account. Now doing this is very simple, so before moving on to it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to like our videos. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we release our next video. Now let's start. Now to log into your AOL Verizon account, you need to first go to your browser and then search for AOL Verizon Email Login. After you do so, you'll need to click on this link right here, and then the login page will open up. Now if you don't have an email account, AOL email account, you can create it right here. Here you have an option to create the account, but if you do have it, you just need to type in your email here and then go to next, and you'll need to type in your password, and then you'll be able to log in. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.